So let's talk about how. How returns true if any argument is true. That is to say, unlike hand that checks if all the argument is true. But when it comes to all returns true if any of the argument, that is, you have two arguments, then if any of the argument is true, all will return true. You understand? Hand returns false if any of the argument is false. So hand and all, the only issue is that when it comes to hand, both side of the argument has to be true. But when it comes to or, one of the side of argument has to be true. So let's check. So let's check equals to or into brackets. So we check our logical A2 or let's say B2 is equal to male, comma, then we say B2 also is equals to female. Now, so if we run this, it will return true. Yeah, it's going to return true. So what it will just check is, yeah, truly B2 is equals to male. So it will neglect this. It will return true. Unlike hand will check if B2 is if the two are correlated. So the fact that one of the arguments is right, so it will return true. But if the two arguments are wrong, if the two arguments are wrong, it will return false. So now, let's say we want to say the two arguments should be wrong. Then let's say not male. You can say there's nothing like not male here. So let's just say so the argument will be false. So it will check in. So is one of the arguments correct? No, none of the arguments is correct. Then it will return false. So that is all.